Swirling. So technically, when you do plate, you wanna have. I know in Haitian cuisine, we don't really kind of go by those norms, but if we want to bring Haitian cuisine to the world stage, these are some of the rules that we have to follow. So we would definitely use a ring mold, but we don't have a ring mold. And as a great cook or a great chef, you have to always improvise. So we're gonna use a regular cup. So we're just gonna scoop the rice. And it might not make a mold because the rice is really thin. So if you really wanted to have that mold, and Chef Alain is gonna improvise, you just add a little bit of oil, just so the rice can stick together. And if you want it to stick, you just make it just a little bit, but just a little bit
underwater.
Yeah. So you just kind of make sure that it holds the shape. And when it holds the shape, hopefully let's pray that it comes out. You could either put it on the center or to the side a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you could put it on the center or on the side a little bit. Just, again, we just want to make sure we have as much negative space on the plate as possible. So we're just going to do, so the plating that we're going to do, we're just going to do like a straight line, because it's a rectangular plate, we're going to do a straight line across. So we're just going to put the rice right here. So rice is good.
Oh, nice. Definitely make up the shape.
And then you want to make sure that you clean, you want to make sure that you're working, because again, having Haitian food as bringing to the world stage is an art. So eating like this is more than just eating, like Chef Alain was saying earlier. It's an art. So you want to make sure that the food is well presented. So you want to make sure that you're cleaning up as much as possible. So you want to, you just want to look for the absolute best cuts, the ones that look the best. Put this one right here.
So that's it, sweet.
That's it. It's art.
And Chef is going to add some of those nice, colorful peppers in there.
Ooh, that sauce. You have some beautiful...
Some microgreens and microflowers. Those are edible. Flowers aren't usually edible unless they're grown with pesticides.
Oh, okay.
Right? And the ones that are edible is the ones that are specifically grown without pesticides, so that it can be used to garnish your plate for the visual effect.
And another reason, chefs like myself and Chef Alain likes to use the flowers because, again, it's all about representing Haiti. When you think of Haiti, you think of all different types of beautiful flowers, lands, greens, the plains. So it's just all this is represented. So really, the dish is really a full representation. If you see all the dishes that I cook, everything is really about putting Haiti in the fullest of light as possible.
That looks amazing.
So that's it.